Hi, this is Dom. I'm here with Curaleaf at Pembroke Pines, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about why I enjoy working here. These are some of our products that we offer. It's going to be CBD and Delta 8 products. However, we also do help people get certified and get their cards that way. Ooh. Hi, my name's Dom, and I'm here at Curaleaf of Pembroke Pines. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about why I enjoy working here and why I feel like everyone should know a little bit about what we do here. So we are a cannabis clinic. We help people get certified. That way they can get their prescriptions for their self-medication with medical marijuana. Since we are a medical marijuana use Florida state verified. Oh, wait.
No, you're good.
Am I good? Hi, my name's Dom, and I'm here at Curaleaf of Pembroke Pines. And I wanted to talk to you guys today a little bit about why I enjoy working here and why I enjoy helping people get certified. So we offer a range of Delta 8 and CBD products. However, we also help people get certified with their medical card. Florida is a medical marijuana use state. So, oh, sorry, I'm trying to remember. Hold on, you make her Sophia laughing. Don't make fun of me. Okay.
Okay. Hi, my name is Sophia. I work at Curaleaf of Pembroke Pines. Something that I really enjoy about working here is You're recording? Hi, my name is Sophia. I work at Curaleaf of Pembroke Pines. Something that I really enjoy about working here is the ambience that we create. We want to create a welcoming, safe environment for every patient that walks in. Something else that I personally really enjoy about working here is that we're cultivating that I'm